Bonjour à tous et bienvenue à Learn French with Rita. Hello and welcome to my channel Learn French with Rita. Learning French sounds exciting, right? But once you dive in and when hundreds of those verbs start showing up everywhere, it can feel confusing and challenging. You are not alone. I was there once, and every beginner in French has faced this. But what if I tell you that mastering just one pattern could unlock thousands of sentences? So today, let us decode the magic of ER verbs and let's make learning verbs simple, clear, and fun. So today in this video, we'll be learning how to conjugate the first group of verbs. We'll be learning what are the first group of verbs, that is verbs ending in ER. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to avoid common mistakes. Now, before we move on to the conjugation of ER verbs, let us see first what are ER verbs. Now, ER verbs are verbs which has got ER in the ending. If you look at these spellings here everywhere, it has got ER in the end. So, whenever you see ER in the end of a verb, we say it's the first group of verbs or verb ending in ER. Now, these verbs which are ending in ER, they take up a definite rule for the conjugation. All ER verbs will follow one pattern for conjugation. So this we call it as regular first group of verbs conjugation. So let's see what is the conjugation rule for these verbs. The verbs ending in ER will have ER in the end. So that is how we'll recognize these are ER verbs. Now let us see the rule for conjugating the verbs ending in ER. As per the rule for conjugating ER verbs, first thing is we will remove the ER. After removing the ER, whatever radical is left, radical in the sense, after removing the verb, ER from the verb, whatever spelling is left, in this case I have taken up the verb parler, which means to speak. It could be any verb. So after removing ER, whatever radical is left, we will copy it for all the pronouns. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il and elle in the plural form. To this radical, what is left after removing my ER, I am going to add my ER endings. What are my ER endings? My ER endings are E, ES, E, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Now this endings will remain same for all verbs in ER. I'll repeat. To this radical after removing my ER, I will add my E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT, ENT. Now if you notice here, everywhere in our conjugation table, one thing we need to keep in mind, that on one side we will write all the singular subject pronouns and the other side we will write all our plural subject pronouns. So singular subject pronouns are je, tu, il, elle, and the plural are nous, vous, il and elle. This is the sequence or the order of pronouns that we will keep in mind, and we will follow the same sequence and order for all conjugations. Because everywhere, whatever verbs you will be doing in your future, this is the sequence or order of pronouns that you will get your verb conjugations. So the radical after removing ER, to this radical we will add our ER verb endings. Now E, ES, EE is for my singular pronouns and the others are for all my plural pronouns, that is nous, vous, il and elle. Now one also thing we will notice in our ER verbs or mostly verbs that we'll be learning in our future, that with nous my endings will be always ONS. With vous my ending will be always EZ, and third person plural my endings will be always ENT, ENT. So these are some hints that we will need to keep in mind, that with nous my endings will be always ONS. So these are the endings for singular subject pronouns. These are the endings for plural subject pronouns. So keeping this in mind, let us take one more example that we will solve. Okay, now let's pick up this verb as an example to solve it. I've taken the verb marcher, which means to walk. So as per my rule for ER conjugations, I'm going to remove my ER. So what is left after removing my ER is MARCH. This is MARCH, which will be left after removing my ER. So this MARCH, I have written it everywhere in all my pronouns. Everywhere, if you notice this, I have written MARCH, MARCH. That will remain same for all pronouns. Only changes that will take place is my ending. With je, my ending will be E. With you, my ending will be ES. Ilanel, my ending will be E. With nu, my ending will be ONS. With wu, my ending will be EZ. Third person plural, ENT, ENT. This is the only change that will take place. Otherwise, with all my pronouns, my radical will remain same for all my pronouns. That is, after removing my ER, whatever radical is left, MARCH will remain same for all pronouns. It could be any verb. Just remove the ER, and after removing ER, whatever radical is left, just add the ER verb ending. So this we have for all singular pronouns, this we have for all plural pronouns. ONS, EZ. With nu, we will notice that always my ending will be ONS. With wu, my ending will be always EZ. And third person plural, my endings will always be ENT. So isn't this easy now? Conjugation of verbs. And last, one thing which I would like to tell all of you, don't feel any pressure of any kind of examination. Believe in yourself. You can do wonders. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please put it down in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the like and the share button, and also press on the notification bell to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.